Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Dog-G8 Plus for stairways and doorways. I'm only going to be fitting it to a doorway, but I will run you through exactly how we install it. The concept is exactly the same regardless of whether it's a doorway, stairway or hallway. So basically with every gate you will receive an instruction pack along with 4 brackets, screws and a head cover. Okay, the way the gate works is you want to install brackets on both sides of the opening. Install brackets here on one side and install brackets here on the other side behind me. Okay, the best way to install this is by getting the brackets out first, making sure they're all laid down, and then the best way is, I like to install it, is to span the gate open like so. And then often the hooks will dictate exactly where the brackets go. Okay, so what I tend to do is each bracket comes with adhesives that you see behind you. You simply peel them off, and then what I tend to do is I always tend to work and mount the bottom bracket to this hook here. This is our end section. On the instructions it's titled panel B. And you always want to install the brackets to the bottom hook first, okay? And then what I tend to do is just slide that up and stick that on, okay? Now you can use adhesives permanently for composite UPVC surfaces. However, if you're sticking to, or if you're mounting the gate to walls, frames, then you do want to get a screw into place. However, the adhesive is brilliant for getting the bracket in place before you put the screw in, okay? Once the bottom bracket is installed, the top bracket will be dictated to, okay? So you can see there, those brackets are securely installed. If you are using the adhesives permanently, you want to make sure that they have 24 hours to bond before using the gate. And then you can just lift the gate off just like so to let that bond. If you are looking to screw the brackets in, again, you can just get those in straight away. That's not a problem. And then punch these in. These will go in with either a screwdriver, or if you've got a little handheld drill, they will go in as well. So you can see that the screw will go in and it will go through the adhesive as well. Okay, once you get all those 4 done, you can then move on to the other side of the gate. So on this side here, you have, again, the hooks will dictate exactly where the brackets need to go. Okay, you want to make sure that this lifting mechanism this here is our lifting mechanism where you pass through the gate. Okay, you want to make sure this is at the bottom of the clips. Okay, once it's at the bottom, so this little hook here touches the bottom clip like so, you can just slide the bracket up, stick it into place. Again, get the other adhesive, slide the bracket up just like so. Again, if you're screwing into this surface area, you can just get a screw in with either a little drill or a screwdriver. Now those brackets are securely installed, the gate will just span the opening like so, okay? You will still be able to close the door on this gate if you wish to, because we went the other side of the frame. And then when you want to pass through the gate, it's a case of this lifting mechanism here. This lifts up and you can pass through. And then what you can do is you can fold the gate manually to one side so it's out of the way, and then it comes with its little head cover just like so, to keep it nestled flat. And it's out the way, unobtrusive, compact, and then lastly it's fully removable as well. So it basically means that you can just take it off, and the only things that stay into place are the brackets that house the gate. slot it back into its brackets, take off the head cover, span it across the opening. You always want to engage the bottom hook first and then the top hook second, and then you've got your nice dog gate like so. This here is a chrome version. The gate comes in white or black, but the installation process is exactly the same regardless of what colour you have. And that's everything. If there's any questions, please do leave them in the comments, and we'll try and get back to you. Alternatively, you can contact us on info@dog-g8.com, and we will answer any questions that you have. Thank you.